You lost it. I know it's paining you. But don't worry. I have a solution for you. I will give you 5 keys to rebuild again. One painful moment can make life feel uncertain. But even after loss, recovering and rebuilding are still possible. God specializes in restoration. What feels like the end can become the beginning of a new chapter. My name is Authentic C. Otwije, your one and only anchor on this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more life transforming teachings like this. The first key in rebuilding after a loss is accept the reality of the loss. Healing begins with honesty. Pretending you are not hurting only delays recovery. Even Jesus wept when Lazarus died. John 11:35. Jesus wept. Pain ignored does not disappear. Give yourself permission to grieve, pray, and process what happened. Job lost his children, wealth, and health, yet he openly expressed his pain before God instead of hiding it. The number 2 key that I have for you in this teaching is do not allow loss to destroy your identity. Many people lose themselves after losing something important, but your value is not tied to what you lost. Romans 8:28 says, "And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God." You may have lost something valuable, but you have not lost your purpose. After Peter denied Jesus, he felt like a failure, yet Jesus restored him and still used him powerfully. The third key is rebuild one step at a time. Recovery is usually gradual. Small, consistent steps matters. In Zechariah chapter 4, verse 10, the scripture says, "Do not despise the days of small beginnings." Do not wait until everything feels perfect before moving again. Start now. You must learn to pray daily, even when you feel weak. Surround yourself with supportive people. Start working on your goals again slowly and avoid isolation. Nehemiah rebuilt the broken walls of Jerusalem piece by piece, despite opposition and discouragement. You too can rebuild again. Number 4 key is let God heal the inner wound. Some losses create invisible wounds like fear, bitterness, regret. Only God can heal deeply wounded hearts. In Psalm 147 verse 3, the scripture says he heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Do not carry your pain alone. Bring your burdens to God in prayer. He is more than able to see you through. And the last key, which is our number 5 key, is believe that restoration is possible. Loss is painful, but it does not have to be final. God can restore peace, joy, direction, and even opportunities. In Joel chapter 2, verse 25, the scripture says, "I will restore to you the years that the locust had eaten." Your story is not over. Recovery may take time, but rebuilding is possible when you keep moving forward in faith. In conclusion, I'd like to let you know that you may have experienced loss, but God can still bring beauty out of brokenness. One painful season does not define your future. With faith, wisdom, healing, and perseverance, you can recover and rebuild stronger than before. So I encourage you to stay strong. Don't give up. Keep pushing, and you will make it at the end. Please like this video. Share this video with your friends. Anyone you know that is going through depression, share it with them, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our life transforming teachings. Remember, this teaching comes every Friday, and on Mondays we have our weekly prayers, and on Wednesday we have our live stream by 5 a.m. and every Sunday by 8 p.m. we have our quiz. Join us in all these teachings and your life will never remain the same. I love you.